When a noble woman is speaking, you are to lower your drink and look her directly in the eyes. You really ought to learn some proper etiquette. I bet it's that Gunhilder girl talking about me behind my back again. Mark my words, vengeance will be mine.
The reason why you're sneezing is not because someone talking behind your back, but it's your health that you gotta have to watch for. So the answer is only one.
Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.